In this module, we'll learn the concept of isotonic solutions. Isotonic solutions means two solutions having same osmotic pressure at a given temperature are called isotonic solutions. When such solutions are separated by semi-permeable membrane, no osmosis occurs. For example, osmotic pressure of the fluid inside the blood cell is equivalent to that of 0.9% sodium chloride solutions called normal saline solutions. A solutions having higher osmotic pressure with respect to other is called hypertonic solution. Solutions containing more than 0.9% sodium chloride, water will flow out of the cell and they would shrink. Such a solution is called as hypertonic solutions. A solutions having lower osmotic pressure with respect to the other is called hypotonic solution. Example, if the sodium chloride concentration is less than 0.9%, then water will flow into the cells if placed in this solution and they would swell. This is the example of these hypotonic solutions. Reverse osmosis and water purification. The process of reversing the direction of osmosis by applying the pressure higher than osmotic pressure to the solution of higher concentration is called reverse osmosis. During reverse osmosis, the pure solvent flow out of the solution through the semi-permeable membrane. Reverse osmosis is used in desalination of sea water. When pressure more than osmotic pressure is applied to the sea water, pure water is squeezed out of the sea water through the semi-permeable membrane as shown in the figure. Generally, the pressure, osmotic pressure, higher osmotic pressure is applied in salt water. Only pure water is come out from this salt water through semi-permeable membrane. Next, abnormal molar mass applications. Molecular masses of solute can be calculated by measuring any one of the colligative properties of dilute solutions. These methods are applicable only if solution is dilute so that Raoult's law is obeyed. The solute is non-dissociable or non-associable in the solution. In case of solute which either dissociate or associate in solutions, molecular masses of solutes determined by this method will be abnormal. Association of solute molecules. Certain solute in solutions are found to be associate. This leads to the decrease in number of molecular particles in the solution. Molecular mass of the solute is inversely proportional to the colligative property. Thus, it results in a decrease in the values of colligative properties. Molecular mass of solute. Therefore, molecular masses determined will be higher than the normal values for solute which undergo association in solutions. In the next example of this association, acetic acid in benzene undergo dimerization as indicated below. This is acetic acid. This is association of acetic acid through hydrogen bond. The molecular masses of acetic acid in benzene determined by colligative property method will be approximately double the actual value. Next, dissociation of solute molecule. Certain solutes in solutions are found to dissociate into ions. This leads to the increase in number of particles in the solutions. Thus, results in an increase in the values of colligative properties. Therefore, molecular masses determined will be lower than the normal values for solutes which undergo dissociations in solution. Example, molecular masses of sodium chloride in water determined by colligative property method will be approximately reduced to half of the actual value due to dissociation. Yes, sodium chloride, it undergo dissociation to formation of Na plus and Cl minus. This association or dissociation or observed on molar mass is predicted by term want of factor. In 1886, want of introduced a factor I called want of factors to express the extent of association or dissociation of solutes in solution. The want of factor is the ratio of the normal molecular masses to the observed molecular mass of a solute. I is determined the want of factor, normal molecular mass by observed molecular mass. I is equal to observed colligative property and calculated colligative property. Consequently, introductions of the want of factor modifies the equations for the colligative properties as follows. Relative lowering of vapor pressure is expressed in I into XB. Elevation of boiling point is expressed in delta TB is equal to I into KB into M. Depression in freezing point delta TF is expressed is equal to I into KF into M. Osmotic pressure pi is determined I nRT by V or pi is equal to I into C or T. From the value of I, it is possible to calculate degree of dissociation or association of a substance. Values of want of factors are mentioned here. The nature of substance, non-associable or non-dissociable substances is equal to 1. Dissociable substances means electrolyte I value is greater than 1. For associable substance, want of factor I value is less than 1. Okay, this is the concept of what? Want of factor. Generally, want of factor is the terms to measure the degree of dissociation or association of this molecule. Thank you.